Hello everyone, now I'm here with my next video of string manipulation. Here I want to tell you about few functions of string. And in my previous video I have told you about string class and list of string functions. And few string functions I already told you in second part. And now in third part I want to tell you about few functions, that is concat, trim, starts with, ends with, two uppercase, two lowercase. See, first function is concat. The name indicates concatenation. What do you mean by concatenation? It is joining of two things together. Now what we want to join? We want to join two strings together. And always remember this function return as string. In my example, I had already taken wrd.concat. wrd contains computer and wrd1 contains application. I want to join them together, but always remember concat never provides extra space. It only join two things together. If you are providing space, then space is concatenated. If you are not providing space, then space is not concatenated. That's why I had written wrd.concat wrd1. It means without space they are concatenated, because I had already not provided any space. But in second one I had provided space. In after computer I had provided space because I want space between computer and application. That's why I had written computer space then dot concat applications. If you want space, then you have to provide space either in first string last part or in second string first part. You have to provide space, then concat provides space, otherwise concat joins two strings together. If I had written wrd1.concat wrd, it provides us applications computer. And then trim function. Trim, according to the name, it is used to cut something, means to trim something from either from left side or from right side. But remember, never between. Never delete anything, never remove anything from between the string. If you are having spaces, then it's okay. But left and right side you are having extra spaces, then you can remove with the help of trim function. And this function always provides you string, always returns you string. See, in my example I had already taken computer applications, but before computer few extra spaces and after applications few extra spaces, and both contain one space in between. But trim always removes left and right spaces. That's why I placed wrd.trim, and see in output spaces already removed, but in center it never remove any space from center. Then starts with is a function which checks whether first string starts with second string or not. What do you mean by first string? What do you mean by second string? See, I had already taken first string as sin, which contained computer as fun, and second string as wrd, which contains comp. I want to check whether my string starts with comp or not. Comp contains 4 letters and position starts from 0 till 3, and these positions were checked in my first string also, 0 till 3, whether they are equal or not. But remember, it is case sensitive. If I am writing comp in capital letter, then another also should be in capital letter. That's why, see, in my first example, send dot starts with wrd both were containing uppercase letter, that's why it provides us true in output. But in second case I had written in small letter, that's why it provides us false. Case sensitive. And C, because they are returning true or false, it means this function returns us boolean value. Then we have ends with. Same as starts with, it checks whether first string ends with second string or not. What does first string, what does second string, I think you are able to understand. See, sen dot ends with wrd. Sen is first string, wrd is second string. First string ends with second string means computer is fun, which is in uppercase, and I want to check whether it's in fun or not. It ends on fun, but both the funs were in different cases. That's why it provides us false, because it is case sensitive. But see, in another one, I've taken sen dot ends with fun but in uppercase. That's why it provides us true, because it is case sensitive. Then to uppercase. From the name indicates we are converting a string into uppercase. It returns us string. And I've taken example, sen is equals to computer in toggle case, first letter capital and others were small. And the another one is wrd is equals to comp 1 to 3. Comp is in uppercase, 1 to 3 is digits. And I am converting sen to uppercase and wrd to uppercase. See, what about sen? It is converted. Toggle case is converted into uppercase. Only C is capital, other was small. All other character were converted. But WRD contains COMP in capital letter in 1, 2, 3 as digit. Digit doesn't have any uppercase. That's why it remains same. But COMP already in uppercase, that's why it is not converted into uppercase. We are getting comp 1, 2, 3 in same way. And what is next thing? Two lowercase. Two lowercase is similar to uppercase. It converts string into lowercase, and it always provides us string. See, sen is equals to computer and wrd is equals to comp 1, 2, 3. Same example I had taken for lower case also. And sen dot two lowercase provides us everything in lowercase. Only C is capital, it converted into small letter. Others were already small, that's why we are getting small letters only. And WRD comp 1, 2, 3, comp is in capital letters, that's why we are getting small letters. 1, 2, 3 doesn't have any small letters, that's why it is remains same. Then few tips. If you want to join few things together without concat, then you can use plus sign, because plus behaves in two ways, either for addition or for joining. If you want to join two strings together without concat, then you can use plus operator. If you want to join two characters together, you can use plus operator. If you want to add two characters together, then you can use plus operator. If you want to join two numbers together with string, you can use plus operator. See, in my example, WRD1 and WRD2, two strings. I want to join them together with the help of space. That's why I had written WRD1 plus double quote space plus WRD2. Means I want to concat both the string with the help of plus operator with space. In next one, class C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2 both are characters. And what I want both the characters should be joined together. Means 1 and 0 are concatenated together with the help of plus operator. Because we are joining both the character with string. When we are joining anything with string, plus works as a joining operator. And then in next example, I had given them brackets. Means I had already increased preference of C1 plus C2. That's why C1 plus C2 works as addition of two characters. When we are adding two characters, always remember character are not adding. We are not adding character. We are adding ASCII code of characters. That's why ASCII code of 1 and 0 should be added together. Means 48 and 49 should be added together. And we are getting what? 97. And if we want to join digits together, then we are able to, if we are joining it with string, because everything adding with string is joining together. That's why 1 and 0 are joined together and become 10. If I am placing bracket, then it returns us 1. This much for this video. Thanks for watching.